Hi, welcome back on the Bet Yourself channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to add the screen lock into your Samsung J5. To do this operation, go into your settings, go to the personal and the lock screen and security option, and here you have the screen lock type. You can swipe without any security, pattern, pin, password, and none. We do now the pattern code, pin for recovery, done, and that's all. You have the screen lock of your phone. It's ready. No? Yes. So I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey!